If you're in one of these fields, it's a green light for more opportunities to stay longer in the US. The Trump administration has rolled out new policies to fix visa backlogs, tighten security, and speed up the process. But here's the kicker: the US wants you. For F1 student visas, these are speeding up. So less waiting, more studying. And about those green cards, good news for skilled workers. It's easier to apply, but now here's where things get a little intense. Hey, what's up, everyone? Big changes are shaking up US immigration policies. And if you are planning to study, work, or move to the States, you definitely need to know about this. Stick with me, we are breaking it all down. Here we go. Since January 2025, the Trump administration has rolled out new policies to fix visa backlogs, tighten security, and speed up the process. But here's the kicker: over 4,700 international students, mainly from India, China, Nepal, and Bangladesh, had their service records revoked recently. Mostly for small infractions like unpaid traffic fines or even just participating in peaceful protests. That's adding uncertainty for students already under pressure. Based on an article from the Times of India published on 27th of May, the US Embassy tweeted a warning to international students stating, if you drop out, skip classes, or leave your program without informing your school, your student visa could be revoked and you may lose eligibility for future US visas. Now let's talk about visas. First, H-1B visas. These are for skilled workers, especially in STEM, science, tech, engineering, and math. The process is now faster, and the US is rolling out the red carpet for STEM professionals. If you're in one of these fields, it's a green light for more opportunities to stay longer in the US. For F1 student visas, these are speeding up. So less waiting, more studying. But off-campus job rules are tightening up. So if you are planning to work while studying, make sure you're following all the guidelines to avoid complications. And about those green cards, good news for skilled workers. It's easier to apply, but fees are up, and waiting time might stretch. Now here's where things get a little intense. According to CNN News published on 18th of June, if you are applying for a student visa, whether F, M, or J, the US government will vet your entire online presence. Yes, social media too. You'll need to make your social media profiles public so they can review your online activities. This policy is designed to check for any hostile attitudes towards US citizens, government, or institutions. If they find anything suspicious, it could impact your visa approval. This includes things like advocating for violence or expressing views that go against USA values. So if you are applying, make sure your profiles are clean and in order. For families, if you are an immediate relative of a US citizen, like a spouse or parent, processing is faster. But for extended family, expect longer wait times due to security checks. Also, the public charge rule is back. This means the government will now assess if you might need public assistance, and that could impact your visa approval. Make sure your financials are solid to avoid any issues here. Here's the deal. These changes are already happening. So whether it's a student visa, H-1B, or green card, get your documents ready. If you're unsure, talk to an immigration expert. And if you're in STEM, this is your moment. The US wants you. So take advantage of these changes. So that's the rundown. These changes might seem like a lot, but they are creating new opportunities. Stay updated and you'll be ahead of the game. If this helped, like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more quick updates. Catch you next time. Bye.